I'm literally eating glitter and I'm about to die. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am back today with this super glam Halloween tutorial. Huge thank you to Cindy from Look Fantastic who sent over all of the products you guys will see me using today. Well, not all, but majority of them. And also I want to give credit to Makeup with Kaylin on Instagram because that is exactly where I got this look from. It was definitely 100% inspired by her. So make sure you guys go ahead and continue to watch if you are interested in seeing how I got this look. So today we are starting with a bare face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows really quick. I'm using the Morphe brow pomade in the shade Mocha. For the men, I'm gonna take my Fenty hydrating primer. I usually use a moisturizer, but I don't see my moisturizer for some reason. This is what keeps my eyebrows from getting oily. So you want to just moisturize your eyebrows with something. And then I'm going to take a translucent powder and just set them. That way when I get ready to apply my pomade, it's not just slipping everywhere. I'm going to just use the one from Derma Blend. I'm going to take the Instabake concealer from Beauty Bakery in the number 8. Okay, I'm taking the same concealer in the number 6 to conceal the top of my brows. I'm going to be priming with the Pennywise base in the shade number 5. This is the 25B palette. I'm taking this brown shade right here. I'm going to be blending that into my crease. Okay, so that's pretty much it as far as color on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease using the exact same Pennywise base. I'm going to go in and blend out these harsh lines. Out of the same palette, I'm going to take this color right here and I'm putting that all over my lids. And I'm going to be applying some glitter. I'm taking this one down here from the bottom and I'm putting that all over my lids. So for mascara, I'm using the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effects from Maybelline. I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover Primer. Finally laid a wig. Perfect. So I could just put my hair back if I want to. This feels really good on my face, and it should for the price. And then I'm going to take the Instabake Foundation. This one is a number 323. Y'all can't even see my eyes no more. These lashes just done took over. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this under there, and also on my lip because my lip loves to crease for some reason. Yeah, that was the number 6. Now I'm going into the number 8, and I'm just gonna put this underneath. I don't have to do like as glam as I'm doing. You can be kind of messy with it. So for concealer, I'm using my regular Smackler Black Opal foundation stick. A mirror for my desk, right? But it's too tall. Like, it's too tall. It stands too tall, so that y'all will only be able to see like my eyebrows up perfectly, unless I raise my camera up and then tilt it down. But I feel like that angle would be weird. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend this out. It's like, it's so pretty, I don't even want to use it. Okay, so just from using this, I know I'm super duper late, but I can definitely feel the difference in the quality. This one doesn't soak up product. Now I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder and I'm gonna set. So under my eyes, I'm going to take the Inglot eyeliner gel, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline. Now I'm going to take the same brown eyeshadow from earlier, and I'm going to smoke that out underneath my lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna use the exact same Maybelline mascara. I'm sorry, I went off camera to do that. Something else I'm gonna do is take that same beauty blender and I'm just gonna lightly go underneath my contour. Y'all, was not recording. How did it stop recording? But okay, like I was saying, I added a little some glitter on my nose and then made like a little nose on the tip, which completely defeated the purpose that I contoured my nose. I mean, kinda. It's still cute. This is a really glam Halloween, like super glam Halloween, because this is cute. I should have took some pictures before I put this on my nose. And then for the fun parts, okay, I'm gonna have to try to measure this out. I'm gonna do like the, okay, wait, I'm gonna use the glue to kind of draw my shape. Okay, y'all, so I got an angle brush. I'm just kind of trying to draw it out. And the fact that people be out here drawing it on their face, like blending paint and stuff, like this right here is hard to me. So how are y'all out here doing all that? Yeah, we finna just keep going and see how this turns out. So that wasn't too bad. I can't really tell they're even though. Yeah, I'm gonna line my lips with the Downtown Beauty Nyx Suede Lip Liner. I'm gonna take the same dual lash glue once again, and I'm basically gonna put that on my lips and go on top of my lips with the same exact glitter. Okay guys, so this is what we're looking like. I'm kind of scared to inhale through my mouth because I feel like I'm gonna swallow some glitter. I'm gonna highlight right quick with Star from Glow Glitters. So to finish everything off, I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender Redo Set and Refresh Spray. This spray is so light, I barely felt it. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Also, a huge thank you again to Look Fantastic for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and of course make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.